What's good, everyone? It's Crystal here, coming at you with another video. Today's topic, I'm going to be talking about Mercari and how I pack and ship my products to my customers. This particular product is going to be an LED message fan, 7-color LED lights. I got this from a local store between $14 and $15 with tax. And my customer purchased this for $25. It was actually, for $28, but hey, went in the middle. Got it for $25, and she's paying for shipping $9.90. So I'm going to be talking about this, how I pack and ship this product. Okay, so before you get started, the things that you need are the shipping labels. You can find this at your Amazon, on your Amazon, or at your local stores like Walmart. Of course, you're going to need a product. You're going to need some bubble cushion. You can find this on Amazon or your local stores like Walmart. Especially if you need a lot of it. Amazon would be your best bet because you could get a lot for a cheaper price. You need tape. You need scissors. And you need the shipping label printed out, ready to go. And then of course you need the box. Okay, what I'm using is the 10 by 8 by 6 to ship this item out with. You can use tissue paper to put it on the sides of the box, or not in this situation, but if the box was like so wide on the sides, you can use this on the sides of the box. Also, what I'm gonna put for this, I'm gonna put the fragile stickers, the labels. Okay, I'll take 2 of these out. Even though it may not make a difference with the carrier, they're probably gonna still throw the stuff around, but I'm gonna still put it on there. So I blocked off my logo right there to show y'all Mercari as I go to the website. I click on action required, and when you click on that, you will see, in this case I have 2 things. One, it was telling me that I had a comment from the customer around 2 in the morning, and the second one is basically telling me that I made a sale from the customer and it's shipped now. And that will be under the action required section. Then we go to the order status. I'm blocking off the image because my logo is on there as well. I don't want to show the customer shipping information, nor I want to show the buyer image. So I had to block off a few things, so excuse that. So I am basically about to print out the label by hitting the button that says download it here, or I could have went to my email and actually uploaded it from my email and downloaded it from there. So this is the shipping label for FedEx, and I'm about to print it out at this time. Excuse all the blur, but that's how you do it. This is how you print out shipping label for Mercari. So we just tape up the box. Got the tape ready to go. I always try to like double it, or sometimes, to make sure it's like secure. Sometimes I even like put it on the sides to make sure it doesn't come out. So we need some more tape. And you never know. So it doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it gets the job done. You see the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is wrap the product in the bubble cushion. Always wrap it with the bubbles facing down. Okay. I always wrap my stuff to make sure it's like there's no question. Like the customer cannot question my product. I always get like feedback like well wrapped. Yeah. I was a little sloppy, but you know, gets the point. This side. I'm just going to do the sides because I don't want it to be on the product since I did more space on the other side. Not perfect, but it gets the job done. And if you could feel it, if you was able to do so, it's protecting. So, also what I like to do on my product, even though I have this already, and people might say, oh, you're using a lot of material, but I want to make sure my product gets to my customer safely and unharmed because I do not want to deal with any returns. So. See it fits well. Okay. Also, what I like to do is I have, and I recommend too, if you have like a store or something, make sure you have like labels that you can actually put on. Okay, I'm not going to show you my store name, but I will put those labels on your products if you have a store or if you want to market, you know, to a certain, you know, eBay or wherever you want the customers to buy more products from you. All right, so next up, I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut that a little bit. So I'm going to put it on the sides. Now, like I said, if it was more space, I would have been able to use this, but I can't really put it in here, so. I'm gonna fold it up like that. Alright. I might just put the rest on top. Looks good to me. What you think? So right now I'm about to just tape this up. Try to do it this way so it could just close better for me. And I know you could get the tape where it has the gun already easy, but I like this way too. So in the morning morning I'm gonna send this package to FedEx. So I'm gonna put the label on there and then I'm gonna tape it up again. So I could even put the label right here, or I could have put it on the sides. But I want to make sure no one breaks this seal, so I'm gonna put it in the middle. And I'm gonna put tape. Now another hint you can do, or tip I should say, is you can print out another label and put it inside just in case the label actually rips in the middle, like if it's raining or something. I used to work for a carrier and I used to deliver, I'm not gonna say which carrier, but I used to deliver packages, drive the truck and stuff, and some of the labels were ripped and they would have to reprint it out. So this is it. This is how you basically pack and ship to your customers, using the platform of Mercari. This is Crystal coming at you. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if the comment section is open for you, how you will basically ship out your products, what would you done differently, and if you're using Mercari or any other platform, how well is that working for you as a reseller. Thank you for watching.